Hello, Kinder. How are you, my friends? This is Mrs. Orozco, and I'm back to talk to you about some subtraction stories. Remember yesterday we were talking about subtraction? Yeah, does anybody remember what subtraction means? All right, good job. That's right. Subtraction means that you're going to take away something. And I'd like to actually introduce you to another different definition. So subtraction stories are stories, just like our storybooks. They're stories about characters. And so we have some objects, right? Some things. And then some are taken away. Now, when you say taken away, they can be taken away or they can be eaten and so they're gone, or they can be broken and so they're gone too, or they can just disappear in a snap. So friends, I want you to remember that as we go through and we do some work today in our Go Math book. You're going to open your volume 2 of Go Math. And so it looks just like this. So it's your Texas Go Math book. And look, it says volume 2. So you're going to open it to page 405. So let me show you what I mean, okay? Okay, friends, so remember, when we are doing subtraction, it's because we have some objects, and some of them are going to be taken away, or in this case, my apples are going to be eaten. Yummy apples. So if you remember, if you notice, I had 5 apples, and then I'm going to eat this one, and I'm going to eat that one. And so now I only have 1, 2, 3 apples. So friends, today what I'd like you to do is I would like for you to open up your Go Math Volume 2. And we're going to go to page 405. Right there, 405. If you can't find it, have somebody help you. Make sure you ask someone to help you find it and say please and thank you. So here on page 405, look, we have a classroom. Wow, that's a wonderful classroom, friends. Look, they look just like your friends here. So what you're going to do, friends, is you will look at the picture because the picture tells us a story, and I would be happy to help you with that story. And then look at the numbers at the bottom. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this picture, and what do we see here in the classroom? That's right, we see students. Let's count how many students there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So if you notice, the book already did this for you. You put 3. And because we're subtracting, you're going to take it away. And you're going to take away this one. So this one, bye-bye, he's leaving. So now how many are left? 1, 2. So we take away 1, and so we are left with 2. So let's go ahead and look at these subtraction story problems. Ready? I'm going to read them to you, and then you can pause the video, and then you can complete it, and then you can turn the video back on when you're ready so that you can listen to the other story. Okay, so now we're on page 406, and I'm going to read this for you. Ready? Write the number that shows how many children in all. There are some children in the cafeteria. And then 2 friends walked away. That's right. So how many children are there? I'm going to give you time to count the children. And you can do this on your book. And then if you notice, 2 of my friends, they got up because they were done eating and they were called to throw it away. So now, friends, how many students are left on the table? You would put that right here. Good job. Remember, you can pause me at any time. Okay, so let's move on to page 407. 407. So here's the story. Ready? Ready? There were some friends inside a classroom. Can you count how many friends? That's right. Now, after a while, one friend got up to go to the restroom. So friends, you're going to tell me right here how many friends are left playing in the block center. Thank you. Remember, you can pause me at any time. I will keep going. All right, friends, so we're going to keep going. And now we're going to jump a few pages all the way to page 411, right here, 411. And so you're going to listen to my story. Friends, there are 5 fish swimming in the sea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one fish actually decides, hey, I'm actually going to go back home because it's getting late and I need to see my mom. So he's going to turn around, and so you see how the book has an X? That's because he's going to be taken away. So we're taking away 1. How many fish are left playing outside in the ocean? That's right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, friends, you can pause me anytime, but I will keep going. So now I'm going to tell you some story problems, and you're going to have some fun tracing. Ready? There were 5 crabs in the sea. 2 crabs decided that they were going to go off to the beach, onto the shore. So we will take away 2. And how many are left, friends? 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Good. Number 2 on the sun on page 412 says there was 4 turtles swimming together, and 1 turtle decided he was going to go back home. Friends, how many turtles are left after my 1 friend leaves? The next one, number 3. There are 4 lobsters, and 3 lobsters decide to take a right turn while this lobster decides to go straight, so they go away. Friends, how many lobsters are left? And we will keep going to page 413. Now on this one, you again find the answer for us, okay? Friends, there are 5 whales, orca whales, and 3 of them decide that they are going to bed. It is too late. So 3 of them go away. So we will cross off 3. And friends, how many are left? That's right, you put that answer right here. The next one, number 5, you see the butterfly? Friends, there are 3 happy fish, and 2 of them are going to go to school, and the other one's going to stay right here. So friends, if 2 of them go to school, how many are left? Good job. Now, number 6, last one. There are 5 bubbly dolphins. And friends, 4 of them decide that, hey, it's dinner time, I'm going home. And this one decides to stay here. So if 1, 2, 3, 4 of them go away, how many are left? That's right, friends. You put that answer right here, okay? Thank you, friends. Take your time. You can pause me at any time and return to me. Have fun counting.